Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to talk about more functions related things. So today we're going to learn a new thing. So basically what we're going to create a function called function name 1. And I'm going to say asterisk names. So I'm going to write the code first, then I will explain why it is. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to say names 0. So this is called arbitrary parameters, which means you're going to pass random parameters to the functions. We're going to pick any of them. So in the previous video, I have taught you some parameters, how to define it. For example, you have to create a function like this, and you have to say like parameter 1 p1, parameter 1 p2, like that. But here I used as asterisk. The reason why did I use an asterisk, because here this means arbitrary parameter, which means random parameters. So I'm going to say def, I'm going to call a function of function 1. So I'm going to say I can pass how many parameters I want. So I'm going to pass lots of parameters. Okay, and so if I execute the program, what is going to run? It is going to pick up the first parameters in it. This is called arbitrary parameters in Python. So the basic idea of arbitrary parameters means random parameters. So you choose a random value from the parameter. So I'm going to say 3. 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3 is going to be dark. I believe it's going to be dark. Okay, and if you okay, let's test it. I didn't test it. And if you enter, if the value did not get, it's going to return an error such as tuple is not out of range. So this is, if you pass a value which is inside your random arguments, it's going to work perfectly. So this is called arbitrary parameters. So I'm going to explain again. So basically we have to put an asterisk before the names or before the parameters. So it is just like a list. Think you are making a list here. Okay, you are getting all of the functions here, all of the parameters here, all of the arguments here, and you are converting as a list here. Inside this function, you are converting all of the arguments as a list. So that is the basic idea. You can easily understand. Then you can access that list index by using its index point. So you are passing a lot of values to it. Those values will become as a list over here. Then you can access by its index. So this is called arbitrary parameters. Okay, you can easily understand this. Okay, the next things I want to teach you is keyword related things. So before I go into this tutorial, I'm gonna finish this tutorial, then I will meet you in the next tutorial. In the next tutorial, I will teach you some more steps about Python parameter related things.